Have you been in that situation of wanting to do a buttonhole on your clothes or customer clothes, and you were not able to go to your normal commercial people that make this buttonhole, and you don't know what to do? Don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your buttonhole with your blackhead machine. And the first thing I did is to trade my machine, your normal trading style, and I'm using a white trade on the on a contrasting color so that you guys will see what we are trying to do. So I'm going to go ahead and use my chalk to mark where I want to do this buttonhole, and this is just for tutorial purposes. I am marking about 1 inch, and I'm not measuring what I am doing. I'm just doing this for for tutorial purposes, so make sure that you measure yours. So once I am done with this, I am going to go ahead and place my machine. This is the first one I did, so I'm going to go ahead and place my my fabric under my machine foot, and I'm going to place it at one side of the marking of this marking that I just did, making sure I start from the beginning. So from there I'm going to start stitching. For this tutorial I stitched about 7 stitches, then I'll turn to the other, turn it, and then stitch 1, and then turn it again, and then keep stitching till I get to the end. Once I get to, just look at your needle. Once you get to the end, I'm going to turn it over and then stitch, make one stitch, and then turn it. So that's what I will keep doing until I'm satisfied with what I have. That's I have you know, buttonhole is always thicker. So until I have what I'm okay with what I have. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, join the growing family. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video and you will find it helpful. So I'll keep going back and forth the same way you see me turning. I'll keep turning and turning and turning, and once I am okay with what I have, I'm going to go ahead and backstitch to secure my stitches, and I'll bring it out. And make sure while stitching that you are stitching on a straight line. You don't want to have a very rough finishing, so make sure your stitches is very straight. So this is it after I was done stitching. I'm going to fold it into 2, and then I'll cut open with my scissors. And remember, I said this buttonhole depends on how big your button is or how small your button is. Once I am done, I'll go ahead and use my scissors to trim off all the excesses, or you can use your lighter to burn it down. And that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video.